In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to add your crypto wallet address. Let's get started. The dashboard provides an overview of your funds and quick access to key actions. To begin, go to Asset Management, where all funding actions are managed, and select Crypto Withdrawal Address Management. Next, click on Add Withdrawal Address in the top right corner. You'll then choose your preferred network from the options we provide, ERC, BSC, or TRC. After that, enter your wallet address and wallet name. It's important to double-check your wallet address carefully, as withdrawals sent through an incorrect network are irreversible, and funds cannot be recovered. To verify, you can check on your network at your wallet's agency or in your own wallet. Taking this extra step ensures the accuracy of your address and network before confirming any transactions. In this example, we're adding a TRC wallet address. When submitting your withdrawal address, make sure to select the TRC network before proceeding. Once you've done verifying everything, enter your fund password and click Confirm. A note to remember, a TRC20 address is for the Tron blockchain, and it's easy to recognize because it starts with the prefix T. Next, let's look at ERC20 addresses. An ERC20 address is for the Ethereum blockchain, and it's straightforward to recognize as it always starts with 0x. Lastly, we have BSC, Binance Smart Chain, which is the token standard on the Binance Smart Chain, also starts with 0x, just like ERC20. That's it. You've successfully added your crypto wallet address. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Start managing your account today and enjoy a smooth trading experience with MC Markets.